you're not the main characters in my story. You're not the people that are there for me, the people that I have an obligation to. I don't owe everybody else anything. I want to help, but it's going to be when I have time. It's going to be, I'm going to prioritize the people that are close to me first, and then I want to give back. And so I will always give back the most of my abilities, but I'm not going to let it hold me back from being the best that I can be for the people close to me. So what up, guys? Day 19 walks with Cody into Cody. I'm feeling jacked up, dude. I'm feeling excited. It's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna leave my water bottle right there. Don't let me forget that. I always set down my water bottle somewhere and I'm like, where the frick did I put my water bottle? All right, day 2 of no social media, kinda. Day 1.5. It's been interesting, dude. I already noticed myself like just scroll down and like go to tap on the phone where it was. Yeah. This is just my subconscious, dude. It's in there, so it's been interesting. And then the funniest thing happened yesterday. Jeff, shout out to Jeff Cavender. Dude, I'm shouting everybody out here recently. Shout out to Jeff Cavender. He reached out to me. He's like, bro, what's the good news? What's the exciting news? I'm like, what do you mean exciting news? He's like, you posted on your social media, there's gonna be exciting news. I'm like, I didn't put that. And so I'm like, let me go ask my videographer, Cody, what's the good news, Cody? And then Cody was like, what'd you say?
I said, I posted that you're going to be taking a break from social media.
Yep. So he's like, yeah, the good news is I'm going to be taking a break from social media, and I didn't even know. So that's the funniest part too, is like, sometimes when people are posting for you, people are like, oh, I thought you were doing this, oh, I thought you were doing that, and oh, like, what is this? And like, I'm like, dude, I don't freaking know. Half the stuff that you guys see might be from freaking 6 months ago. You know, like somebody was like, I thought you were down in Florida. Yeah. I saw you just down in Florida and you were talking and stuff. I'm like, that was a video that was cropped or clipped just recently that was from back then.
And then Texas and Vegas, it's all like going up.
Yeah, nobody knows where I'm at, dude. I'm like, I'm freaking everywhere.
That could be a good thing, I guess.
Yeah, right. If somebody wants to hurt me, they're just like, I don't know where he's at right now, so it's going to be hard to find him.
They're on their way to Texas right now.
They're going to just go take my freaking cat, and then I'll have to find him. Like Taken, you know? Like Taken, I got to go find him. Where's my kitty? What's that? What's his most famous line? Like, I will find you.
Yeah.
And anyway.
Is it like, what's the, John Wick, kind of?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Liam, whatever, Nelson. Liam. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, so no social media has been interesting, dude. I found myself almost want to get on it on my desktop too, because I was like, oh, it's not my phone, and then I decided not to do that as well. It's been tough, dude. Been tough. Yeah, I'm just like, what do I do with all my free time? And so now I just do nothing and love life.
Now you just can text and call.
Yep, I just text, call, talk to people. It's gonna be good, dude. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good.
I'm so happy that I'm able to do that too. So thank you, buddy. Thanks for still posting, because that's the other thing too, is like, I think it's so important. I think social media is such a big tool, and it has honestly helped our business grow exponentially, because people get to see what we're doing. They know what we're doing. Now, the funniest part is I don't think that all of you guys understand everything that we're doing and how big it actually is, because sometimes I forget to tell you guys. Like, we have probably 90 properties in the pipeline right now. Like, we own like 15 million of real estate. Like, dude, I think that sometimes we forget how much we actually are doing. We don't share it with you guys because we're just so busy doing the work that it's hard. But yeah, we're doing freaking big things. We're very excited, very grateful that God has blessed us with the opportunity, the gifts to be able to do this. And yeah, we got a freaking solid team, dude. But anyway, doing very big things, and I'm just so grateful that I don't have to be the one that's actually posting all this stuff. I don't have to be on social media. And Andy Elliott is actually the one that said it when we were at WealthCon. He said, dude, I don't have a social media. I'm sitting here, you know, you guys see me on social media and stuff, that's somebody else posting it. I'm like, dude, that's a good idea. He deletes it from his phone. He doesn't read anything. He doesn't read the comments. He doesn't feel any negativity for it. He doesn't. Now, here's the other interesting part, is it's not just negativity that actually affects you. It's also the positive comments, which like everybody thinks it's going to be all great and all good. Like, oh man, I love having the positive comments and stuff. Sometimes it actually is hard. And Gary Vee talks a lot about that too. You don't want to get your ego so big that you think you're so great as well. And so you have to ignore the really big compliments. Everybody thinks you're so great. And then you also have to ignore the ones where everybody just says you're a piece of crap and you're not doing anything with your life, and why you just like, you know, stealing money from people, and they just say all sorts of crazy stuff. So it's kind of it's nice to not have either or. Same thing with admiration and stuff. Now you're seeking it. All you want to do is get more likes. And I was actually noticing this yesterday. I was literally going for a walk and I put my vest on and I had my shirt off and I noticed myself. I'm like, oh man, I could post this and stuff. And then I was like, now wait a second. Am I doing this because I want to post it, or am I doing it because I actually want to do it? And now that I'm not posting on social media, I'm like, no, I'm not posting it, and I still don't care if I post it, but yet I still want to do this. Now I'm posting, which is kind of funny, but anyway.
Right.
Either way, I'm like, it helps me to be more clear on why I do what I do. A lot of times I already want to do the stuff that I'm posting on social media anyway. Like I'm just recording the process, but sometimes I forget and I get in my mind a little bit about, why am I actually doing this? Am I doing this just for social media, or do I actually want to do this? And so anyway.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been a lot of thoughts, dude. A lot of thoughts already. I'm loving it though. It actually is pretty nice.
Yeah, I bet it feels like freeing. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know how many people like will not say anything to you in person anyway? So like a lot of people talk a lot of smack online, but nobody really says anything to you in person. They're usually pretty nice, which is cool.
That's true.
I like that.
I don't think we were like meant to like be able to like have so many people like talking to us, like commenting to us, and then replying to that many people. Like, in life, you know.
That is so true. Yeah, I don't think so either.
It's probably why it feels so draining. Overwhelming.
Yeah. Why I'm turning into an introvert, dude, which is so odd for me because I love people, but man, it's a lot, especially when like everybody's messaging you, asking you questions, and then they get upset with you. I remember Natalie's mom, hopefully you don't clip this. Well, you can put it in there, but like Natalie's mom, like she would sometimes post and get all upset, like, Dakota, why aren't you answering me and stuff? It's like, bro, like there's like a lot of people that I'm trying to get back to, and I do not owe anybody getting back to them. Now, 99% of the time I'm going to get back to you guys, like 99% I would say. But also it's on my time. Like I don't need to get back to you right away. I don't owe anybody anything. And so when I get back to you, I'm finding that I need to set more boundaries, because I used to be that person that would literally just like drop everything for anybody all the time, which is also why I believe that I lost my marriage. Well, part of it. I mean, obviously there's a lot of reasons, but either way, it was just, I was willing to drop everything for these people that I don't even know because I wanted to help them. Like I have a desire to help them, but I'm dropping the people around me that's really important for the people that, like, of course you guys are important to me, but at the same time, like, you're not the main characters in my story. You're not the people that are there for me, the people that I have an obligation to. Like I have an obligation to my wife. I have an obligation to my friends. I have an obligation to my employees to be the leader. Like it's not that I owe them, but it's kind of like I owe them. It's more important that I do that. I don't owe everybody else anything. I want to help, but it's going to be when I have time. It's going to be, I'm going to prioritize the people that are close to me first, and then I want to give back. And so I will always give back the most of my abilities, but I'm not going to let it hold me back from being the best that I can be for the people close to me. So
that's a very good point.
Yeah.
Very good point.
Yes, sir. That's what I noticed, dude. I'm learning. 30 years of life, I'm learning, baby.
Yeah, we aren't perfect, buddy.
Yep.
Doesn't matter how dialed in you think you got it.
100%.
Always learning, baby.
Always something new to learn. I'm learning every day. I just made that song today. Now I sing it all day.
Water.
Oh yeah, we remembered.
That water.
All right, buddy, let's go get to Chipotle.
Dang, dude, I feel like Chipotle is just getting more expensive.
Every day, buddy.
Yeah, it's the same order, but
I
it feels
know.
like it's more.
Every day. I'm now spending $17 a day.
17?
Yeah.
Dang. Double wrap, double meat.
Yeah.
That's
And guac.
insane, dude. It used to, like, you could get all the extras back then for like $9-10.
Yeah, that's what it used to be. I used to spend right around $7 on a burrito. Now I'm spending 17.
Gosh.
Dude, look at this guy. That guy's flying, bro.
Oh, yeah, he is flying.
Oh my gosh! And then there's a person riding a bike.
That's why accidents happen right there. Buddy.
Accidents happen, then they hit people, and then he goes flying. And look,
Then he has to stop anyway.
Yeah, then he's got to stop anyway. He was going freaking 75 miles per hour. Anyway, buddy. Anyways.
Man, I'm just trying to freaking get stuff done because I'm probably not going to be
trying to get stuff done
too much tomorrow.
That boy's not posting tomorrow or Saturday because he's chilling on the villain and the billing and the gilling.
Chilling for 10 miles, running over freaking stuff.
Yes, sir.
Going through electric and getting shocked and going in cold water and going in mud.
Yeah.